The White House COVID-19 response team held a briefing today and covered a wide range of topics.
From the importance of being vaccinated during pregnancy to recommendations for a safe Labor Day weekend and getting back to school. Dr. Frank McGeorge here with some of the highlights, and it seems more people are getting the message about the importance of vaccines, Doc.
Yeah, they sure are, Jason. You know, the pace of vaccinations across the country has picked up with an 80% increase in the number of shots going into arms every day since last month, as well as an increase in the number of people getting their first shots, which is really encouraging news as Delta just continues to surge. Increased transmission across the country before the Labor Day weekend travel prompted this warning from CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky.
Given where we are with disease transmission right now, we would say that people need to take these risks into their own consideration as they think about traveling. First and foremost, if you are unvaccinated, we would recommend not traveling.
The CDC director also reinforced return to school precautions along with a warning when they aren't followed.
This includes vaccination of everybody who is eligible, wearing masks in school, and we are seeing in some schools, as well as distancing, screening protocols. We are seeing schools that are not following these guidance, specifically not masking, not having lower rates of vaccination, are dealing with outbreaks, especially in the context of this very transmissible Delta variant.
Finally, especially now that there's a fully approved vaccine, Dr. Anthony Fauci emphasized the need for pregnant women to get vaccinated.
If you look at total number of cases of pregnant women with COVID-19 from January 2020 to August 2021, there have been about 110,000 cases, about 19,000 hospitalizations, and 131 deaths. Indeed, COVID-19 in pregnancy is serious.
Now, Fauci also highlighted a New England Journal of Medicine study that looked at over 35,000 participants in the V-Safe database who identified as pregnant, and it found no obvious safety signals among pregnant individuals who received the mRNA COVID vaccines.
Doc, before you go, what about women who are breastfeeding? Any concern seen there?
No, actually, there weren't any concerns. And in fact, there was actually kind of a bonus effect of vaccination in that neutralizing antibodies were also found in the breast milk.
Ah, all right. Good information as always, Doc. Thanks.